Meaning of dispose.
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 Dispose. The term dispose typically means to get rid of or throw away something, often because it is no longer needed or wanted. This can be done through various methods such as recycling, donating, selling, or simply discarding it in the trash. The end result of disposing of something is typically that it is removed from one's possession or control and is either repurposed or destroyed completely. Proper disposal methods are important for minimizing negative impacts on the environment and ensuring public safety.